Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are here at the world famous Calangute beach. I'm going to be showing you guys the beach. I'm going to be showing you guys the shacks, the water sports and everything that's happening right now. We're also going to check out the streets of Calangute first and then we'll check out everything here at the beach. So let's go and check out the famous Calangute beach here in Goa. Okay guys, so we are at the Calangute circle over here and the road which is going straight goes to Baga. We are going to take the road towards the left here which is taking us to the Calangute beach. If you see here, there is the vape store if you want to buy vapes or you want to buy cigarettes or hookah or stuff like that. So right now that season has started here. It is super busy on the highway. I just came from the Kandolim Calangute road and there was so much traffic. It took me around half an hour, maybe even 40 minutes to reach here due to so much traffic being there here. As you can see, there's people all over the roads here and we are going all the way to the beach. I'm going to show you the water sports prices and everything. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button. I do videos here in Goa almost every day showing you some of the best places to check out. So if you see the shopping areas here, the shopping has increased in the sense they have all new stock and the shops are like full of things right now. So if you see the clothing compared to previous videos, in the previous videos there was not as much shopping. Now there is so much of shopping available. Calangute is one of the cheaper areas to do shopping if you want to. Of course there are other areas, different areas have different kinds of shopping. So okay, so there is this bus also. See these buses. There are buses like this that are available from all the beaches. So suppose you want to go from Calangute beach to Kandolim, you can take this bus and you can go directly to the Kandolim beach using these buses are available every 15 minutes. So if you take the road towards the right here, that's the main bus stand area, so you can take buses from there. So let's just look at the shopping. There's wine stores here, there's a lot of shops this side as well, and most of the crowd should be on the beach right now. So as we head on to the beach, you'll see that there will be a lot more crowd on the beach. Let's expect like a lot of crowd. So it's around 12 o'clock in the afternoon right now and it's a little dull today because the sun has just gone behind the clouds. It was nice and bright and sunny before, but now it's become a little dull, which is I prefer because then it's not hot at all. And the weather is pretty cool right now because of the monsoon is over and now basically the winter months have started here. So if you see the shopping around here, I'm just stuck in traffic, so I'm going to park there. So the parking lot is just a little ahead over there, so I'm going to show you the area there as well. So just for you guys to get an idea of the prices here, so you can see so the Goa t-shirts and stuff are like 100 rupees. They also have all these other type of t-shirts over here. So the Goa t-shirt is like the most popular one and it's easiest for the locals to identify who's a tourist when you're wearing a Goa t-shirt. So we are almost near the parking area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to park now and then I'm going to show you guys the beach. So this is the main entrance right now. My goodness, the parking is completely packed. You can also do rent a bike here. So there are rent a bikes all over here. Even at the entrance here there is a rent a bike. Two-wheeler parking here is 30 rupees. So wait, let me just try and go here. So here, this is the parking area here, and yeah, let me park and then show you the beach again. Okay guys, so I did my parking in this area. There are two parking areas. Either you can do the parking at the main entrance there or this area here. Over here there are big wine stores if you want to get alcohol here. There are also smaller wine stores like this. Like they even have offers right now, buy two get one free on beers, which is the Copter beer, and they have like different offers that are here. So what we are going to do is we are heading on to the beach road now. So there are also restaurants and stuff here. So suppose you are hungry, these are budget friendly ones over here, and see, so these are all 100 rupees shop here. So if anything in the shop is 100 rupees, caps and stuff. Okay, so yeah, he told me to tell his subscribers. So this is tattoos over here. So there are different tattoo parlors available here. Tattoos are like very cheap in Calangute, but not all of them use good quality ink, or so it's always best to make sure to get it done in a proper place. These are all the taxis over here. So this is the main taxi stand here, and we are at the beach. Good, mere. So yeah. So that is the local language that I was talking in. So he was asking if I'm fine. I said goat means I'm strong in the local language, which is Konkani. So I'm a local, so that's why I speak the local language with the boys in this area. So as you can see the crowd, there is so much crowd today, and I'm shooting on a weekday. So even on a weekday there is so much crowd right now. So the water sports, everything is open. So we're going to go all the way to the beach. We're going to go to the water sports counters, everything. Guys, just keep in mind whenever you're here, be careful, because your pockets and stuff, because sometimes people could take something out of your pocket. But also it's not like there is a lot of robbery here, but it's always better to be safe. And also something else to keep in mind is over here there are a lot of these people who come as agents and try to sell you water sports. Sometimes they'll give you the normal rate and just take the commission from their water sports people, but some of them will charge you like way more than the actual price. So always make sure to get the right water sports counter, which I'm going to show you now. Wow, look at the crowd, guys. So you can't really make out yet, but let me just go down. So yeah, look at the amount of people that are there here. So huge crowds are back in Calangute, and it's expected because this is already season, but this is very, very early in season in October, and to have crowds like this is just crazy. So what we are going to do is let's head on to the water sports counter. A few of the shacks are already back now. So if you see, the shacks have already opened on that side, and they have the beach tables and everything which you can go to. So now we are going to go to the shacks, and I'm going to show you the shacks. So the main Calangute shacks are already open. So the night party shacks and stuff over here have already opened up, which is good news for people who want to enjoy the shacks and parties. So let me just zoom in there and show you guys the shacks here. So that is the shack there. They have the I love Goa signs and stuff. Oh my gosh, look at the crowd. So let me just show you both the sides of the beach. So just for your idea of how many people are here. Yeah, good. So yeah, we are going to go to the water sports counter, which is way that side. So these people, kaisa hai? Good, good. So yeah, so most of these water sports people know me here. So everybody's saying hi today. So yeah, let's walk on to the beach. So the breeze right now is like almost like an air condition. So not all the shacks are done yet. A few of them are still yet to be done. But let me just walk up to the boats and show you the boats and the crowds that are here right now. So people are enjoying themselves here and having a great time. There's people dancing all around. And yeah, so these are the boats here. These are the boat trip that takes you. So with these boats you can go all the way there, and then they'll take you for the parasailing, guys. So just let's walk among the crowd here and see who's here and what's happening. So that is the counter now. We are going to go to the counter and ask the prices. कैसा है? Good. वाटर स्पोर्ट्स का प्राइस क्या है अभी?
एक मिनट।
हाँ, पैकेज का प्राइस क्या है अभी?
फिलहाल सब स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है।
हाँ, सो अब
तो अभी जेट स्की पैरासेलिंग चालू है।
ओनली जेट स्की एंड पैरासेलिंग। अच्छा, जेट स्की का कितना लेता है?
जेट स्की का 300
300 और कितना टाइम लेता है वो?
जस्ट
एक राउंड, अच्छा। ओके, और पैरासेलिंग?
पैरासेलिंग का ऐसा भी जेट स्की पैरासेलिंग मिला के 1500 है।
अच्छा
कल बोटिंग चालू हो गया तो
अच्छा।
उसमें आपको 1000 रुपया रेट लग जाता है।
अच्छा,
पर पर्सन
ओके ओके। सो विद डिप 1000 रुपीज़।
बोटिंग में
ओके ओके,
अभी फिलहाल जेट स्की पैरासेलिंग
या
1500
ओके
विद डिप।
okay okay, thank you. Bye. So I don't know if you guys understood it, but he was talking to me in Hindi, but my mic, I forgot to put the mic on him. So yeah, parasailing and jet ski with dip is 1500, and if you want only the jet ski then it's 300 rupees, but the 1500 is with the dip, guys. So they dip you in the sea also. So I don't know if you'll be able to see it from all the way here, but yeah, so they're taking people. Oh wow, they actually dip people in the sea. That looks pretty fancy in the sense it's fun. Okay, so there in the distance is Baga beach. Oh my god, the crowd in Baga is insane. So there's like lots and lots of people there in Baga right now. But yeah, we're going to head on back, and I'm going to just walk among the crowd and show you guys what the crowd is like right now, because there's so many people here today, and it's pretty nice actually because of the weather. I mean, I'm enjoying the weather. Swimming is completely allowed. So let's just see the jet ski here. So jet ski rides, and as they told us, the Watersports is not completely open. So Watersports is basically only the jet ski and this thing is open. So yeah, I'm just walking through the crowd so you guys get an idea of what is the crowd like and who is here right now, and then we are going to head back in a little while. But yeah guys, I hope you are enjoying this video and seeing what Goa is like right now. We'll just go close up to the water and give you a better idea of the scenes here. So yeah, I'm walking through the water right now, and yeah, but it's a lot of families actually. So there's a lot of families and couples, and of course there are big groups of guys as well. But yeah, this is what Calangute is for you guys right now. And in that side, the shacks are being done up. 2 of the shacks are already completely done, but we'll come again in the future and do another video here in Calangute once all the water sports is open and everything looks good again. But yeah, so since today is a dull day, the video doesn't look as great. But yeah guys, so this is the scenes here. See this, they're making these sand castles here, which are fun looking. So anyway, we are going to head back to the entrance of Calangute. We'll just walk a little more because I've not showed you guys this area in the previous videos. So just for an idea, look at these guys. But yeah guys, these are memories people will never forget here in Goa, and sand castle, just playing around in the sand here, and yeah, seems like awesome memories to make here with families and everything. So yeah, those are the shacks I'm going to show you, just to get an idea of what the beach what are they? Let me just, I'm so tired. So I had gone for a run in the morning, so I'm already tired. So yeah, these are the beach tables here. There are drinks and everything. So beers start from like 100 rupees onwards here. And yeah, so good to see that everything is open. Let me just go close up to the shack and show you what the shack is like. Oh, so these are not actually done up yet. So from the distance it looked like it was done up. The ones which are on that side of the beach are done up, but these ones are not done up yet. But this is what it looks like when it's getting done up. But you can sit here at the beach and enjoy the shacks here guys. So anyway guys, that is the scenes from here in Calangute right now. So guys, that is it from here in Goa. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you guys lots of other videos from here in Goa.